Hi, come make a wristlet strap with me.
For 1-inch hardware, cut your material 14 inches long by 3 7/8 inches wide, and then mark a line down the center. Next, you will place double-sided tape on either side of the line. In order to slide the hardware on, you will need to fold each side towards the center and then fold in half. Next, you will match the short ends, right sides together, and clip in place. You will sew these together with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. You will want to press your seams open in order to reduce bulk. Sometimes a seam roller can help with this effort. While making sure the seam stays open, you will want to fold the sides in towards the center line and secure them in place with the double-sided tape. Do this for the entire length of the strap, moving the hardware out of your way as needed. Once all of the sides are taped down to the middle, fold the piece in half and clip in place, first down the open side and then down the closed side. I flip my strap inside out here so that the flat side of the clips will ride along my machine bed as I top stitch. Starting with the open side of the strap, top stitch with a 1/8 inch seam allowance, leaving long thread tails at the beginning and end of your stitching. Also, try to end in the same hole as you began. Repeat these steps for the closed side of the strap. Using a hand needle, we will pull each pair of threads through to the center seam in order to secure them and hide the starting and stopping points of our top stitching on the wristlet strap. Now that all 8 threads are coming out of the same area of the open side seam, I will tie them off in pairs, tuck the loose ends back through the wristlet strap, cut off the excess string, and finally add a little bit of glue to the knots just to give them some extra security. Next, you will position the seam as close to the hardware as possible and then mark the placement for your rivets. Use a plier punch tool to create holes through all layers of the wristlet strap and then install the headpiece of the rivets. Next, I add a little dab of glue to each of the rivet caps before putting them in place. And finally, set the rivets with a press. The only thing left to do is to clip it onto my clutch. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching.